Hello you guys, my chili is all done. Okay. I have a little sour cream here. I have some oyster crackers. So let's get to bowling this up. Ooh, look how good that looks. Give it a quick stir. I'm gonna bring it in for you guys can see it better. Can y'all see that chili? My onions and bell peppers in there. Green bell peppers. I have my beef in there. I have my kidney beans. My tomatoes. And it's seasoned to perfection. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm finna some my bowl here. I know you guys can't even see this, but I'm gonna stop there. Put a little bit more hot sauce in here. Put like 1, 2. There's a couple of dabs in here. That's it. I want to add a little cheese. I'm gonna get a different spoon. I don't want a slotted spoon. Get used to spoon, you guys. There we go. Yeah, a little bit better. Okay. It smells so good. So now I'm gonna place it on warm. Add a little bit more cheese. And just a little dollop of sour cream on top. Okay. That's my little chili bowl. Okay, you guys. I made it back. I'm sitting down. My food is all done. Here's my chili. My homemade chili. Can y'all see that? This stuff is hot. I'm watching CNN, then I turned to Hulu. So can y'all see my bowl of chili with that cheese on here? That's some sour cream. I can't wait to try it. This is piping hot. Okay. And here's my cracker. I got my zipped up. It was just cold earlier. I just got me a little hot sauce in case I need it. And this is a green tea watermelon. I got this at Kroger. Lipton made it. And it's pretty good. See there, you guys. It's pretty good. You get 12 in a pack. I got the 12 pack. So, yeah. So that's a must try. Just try it, you guys. So let's start with our prayers. Amen. All right. So let's dig into this chili, you guys. Because it is chilly outside. Yes, it is. So when I was watching the weather forecast earlier this week, I know they said we're headed for a big cool down where like it's a 20 to 30 degree drop, and he didn't lie. And it's supposed to get worse because one morning I think we're expecting frost. And later on in the week, we're going to get remnants of that hurricane that was out in the sea. Plus, we're expecting a lot of rain. So I got to check my basement and make sure everything go good, no flooding. Y'all should try that. And bell peppers. And tomatoes. You can use ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you like. Food is good. I haven't had chili. Probably the last time I made some chili might have been earlier this year when it was cool. Like the right amount of spice to it. Add a little bit more cheese to it. I cooked my chili one time for my I had company, and that pot got clean. So when I say I'm making chili, I'm sorry, just right in front of the camera. When I say I'm making chili, I usually don't speak too loud. I just got my hair in a little side ponytail. And it's chili good. I'm watching something on CNN. See, I done got it down some. I know this lighting probably ain't doing no good. Kidney bean crackers, my bell peppers, my tomatoes, my ground beef. This is so good. And this is simple and easy to make. Oh, kidney beans, this is so good. I hope you all enjoying your weekend. They having a lot of activities this weekend where I stay at, like hayrides and the little haunted shows and stuff like that. But other than that, it's quiet out. A little cloudy. This tea, really good. Oh. Okay, you guys, I had a knock at my door, and while I was down there, got me another bowl of chili. So good, guys. Them onions and bell peppers and everything that came through. And it's just enough spice in it you can tolerate. because I done had chili before and you can barely eat it. It was so spicy. And when it's like that, you can't even enjoy your food. Ooh. What time moving? I'm getting full. It's rice and bean casserole. Recipe on the back of this cheese. That might be something good. Always willing to try something new if it's good. Okay, you guys. I'm not going to hold you. This was good. So, I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later on. And I probably have some dessert. That probably be later. This afternoon. Evening. It's going to be evening time. So, I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back later. And see you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.